welcome back to the student Diwan. In this video, we will explore the letter and certificate management module which is present in the HR and payroll section of the student Diwan. Now, this is the main page of the certificates and letter management. Here you will be able to manage the templates and add new templates. Also, you can generate the certificates using those templates and you can manage the signatures and stamps here. At the top, you can see the overview here. You can see the total template count, total signature count, and total stamp count. Then you have these buttons where you can generate new certificate or letter and you can manage signatures and stamps. Then you have this manage templates section where you can add and manage templates. Now let's see all of these one by one. First we will see the stamps management. To see the stamps management, click on the manage stamps button. Here you will be redirected to the stamp management section. Here you can see the list of the stamps here. Here you can create the new stamps. Now let's create a stamp here. First give a stamp name like examiner, type examination, valid until, give a date till which this stamp will be valid. Now let's get 28. Then you have to upload the stamp here. Here click on the browse image, select the image and you can see image is selected. Now you can also remove it from here. Now let's add this stamp. Now our stamp is added successfully. You can see the status, it's active here and you can see this stamp, the status is inactive because this stamp is expired, it's not valid now. You can see the date, it's valid till 4 to 2026. Now let's increase its valid date, it will become active. Now you can see this is active. This is how you can manage the stamps. Now you can also see the stamp. Click on this button. You can see the stamp. Also you can delete the stamp. Click on this button and delete. You can edit all the details of the stamp like the stamp name, type, valid till, and also you can change the image, browse. Click on this browse and select another. Now let's cancel for now. This is all in the stamp management system. Now let's see the signature management. Here you can see the digital signature. This is the list of signatures. You can signature name, role, valid until, status, and actions. Here click on this view signature button. You will see the signatures and you can edit a signature. Click on this edit button. You will be able to edit it here. Like we can change the date or we can also change the signature. Like we will edit it. You can upload the signature here or you can directly draw the signature. Then click on the upload draw signature. Here you can see new signature is uploaded. Now click on the update signature. Now the signature is updated. You can see it. Also you can delete signature. Click on this delete button and press yes. signature will be deleted. Now to add a new signature, scroll to the bottom. Here you add the role, then name of the signer, then select the valid date. Then you can draw the signature here or you can upload the signature. Click on this browse and upload the image of the signature. Here you can see this is your signature. You can delete. Click on this button. It will be deleted. Now let's upload this and add signature. You can see our new signature is added here. You can see it in view signature. This is your signature. Now this is all in the digital signature management. Now let's see the template management. Here you can see the list of templates. Like here is details, template name, type, category, status, last updated, and actions. Now let's create a new template. Click on this add new template. Here give the basic details of the template like template name, offer letter template, type letter, category, offer letter. You can also select the language here. It's optional. Now let's go to the content and design section. Here in content and design section at the top you can see this is the upload design or image. You can add here or you can directly use the editor box and add the template. Now let's add a new template to understand how this works. Now let's add a offer letter here. We will adjust the editor. You can also increase or decrease the size of this container. Here first we will paste the offer letter, then we will adjust it. Here you can add the variables here, the name you can add later at the time of generate. Now let's for to add this variable name, you you have to keep it under the double curly braces like this. I will increase the size so you can see. Here you have to put the name in this curly braces to see the name. Now here you can use the already used some variables here like the company name to full-time part-time, starting date. You can add job title here. Add your name here in the curly braces. Now this is how you can add the text in this editor and how you can use this variables here. Now you can also add the signature here. Now let's add a signature. This is our signature. drag it to place anywhere you want. You can also increase the size or decrease it. And if you want to remove the signature, click on this delete button. Now let's add one. You can also add the stamp here. Click on the add. You can adjust the stamp also. We can adjust the things like this here. Now let's see how this design and PDF work. Now before that we can also see the preview. Click on the preview certificate here. You can see the preview here. You can see the preview here. Now here let's see how the design works here. First we will remove this, start from this scratch how this works. First upload a PDF or image of the design. Now let's add one. This is our design. Now we will adjust the editor between this design. Now first increase this size, adjust the editor and paste it here. Now let's increase the size. Now you can here add the variable names. Company name. I will take it from this pre-existing variables. Let's remove this part. Make this name as variable. Now let's add a signature and add a stamp here. Keep it here. Now let's see the preview of our template. This is the preview of our template. Now you can save it, publish, or you can keep it in the draft. Now let's save and publish this. Here you can see our offer letter template is created. You can preview it here or you can edit it or delete it from here. Now let's delete one. Now let's see how to generate a new certificate or letter here using these templates. Now select the template here. Now let's select the offer letter template. Here you can see the details, these variables which we put here in this curly braces. You can write that names here like we will say Martin is candidate name. You can see Martin here. Similarly, company name like Google, you will see the company name here. This is the company name and you can add your printed name. Here you will see John. Now you can generate the PDF and download it. Here you can see the PDF, or you can save it to the profile of the staff you want to save. Now let's select a staff, save it to profile. You can see it is saved to the profile. Now this is all in the certificate and letter management of the student Diwan.